Finding the courage to change, responding with kindness. I have a habit of defensiveness. I feel like a prickly porcupine often because I assume that every little comment is a personal attack. This reaction is a childhood habit that helped me feel safer and more in control. Today, I can see clearly my porcupine habit is not helpful. Others feel blindsided when I slip into this behavior. They withdraw from me when they feel like they have to tiptoe around my reactivity. Since I create my own reality, I have the power to change this behavior habit. Because the pattern was laid down in my childhood, it's very powerful. It's almost subconscious. How can I heal it? I can respond with kindness. When my porcupine habit is in play, I have to notice two people, myself and the other. My first task is to be kind to myself. I need to soothe my little porcupine. I tell her that all is well. I focus on protecting her vulnerability with my kindness and acceptance. I tell myself that I don't have to react. I can pause and listen more carefully. Perhaps this is not an attack. Perhaps my loved one just needs a listening ear, someone to listen to their fears and frustrations. And for sure, they don't need fixing. Perhaps they need someone to respond with kindness. This simplifies a situation that felt complex, noticing myself and the other person at the same time. When I feel attacked, I only have to focus on one thing, responding with love and kindness. In this way, whatever feels like conflict becomes an opportunity to heal. We're all in this together, and everything's going to be okay.